Hey, bonjour! Fun fact, do you know you can make someone's day with an energetic bonjour? So always with a smile, start with a bonjour. A bright, lovely bonjour. Bonjour! As I promised before, I am here today with the second part of Passé Composé. Sorry for keep you waiting. This video is not for complete beginners. If you have not yet watched my first part of Passé Composé, watch it at first, then come back to watch this video. I have listed all the videos made so far in my channel in the description below. I make videos to make your French learning a happy and fun experience. When I see you learn French with a smile on your face, it makes my day. Really, it does. If my videos really come to any help, click subscribe. If my videos are just as boring as the alarm clock on Monday morning, don't subscribe. Go off. Au revoir. Yeah, they have gone. Now we have a cleaner classroom. Let's do some Passé Composé. Before that, share it, click subscribe, like it. Passé Composé Part 2. Let's quickly see what we have already learned in Passé Composé Part 1. First of all, you must know how to make the past participle of each group of verbs. You have learned how to make past participle of third group verbs in Part 1. Most important to learn that. First group of verbs take E accent aigu, second group of verbs take E, and third group of verbs, I showed you a table in that video where audio did vanish for some technical unknown reason. I will add the participe passé of those third group verbs by the end of this video, as some of you must have had problems to find out the pronunciations and meanings of those third group verbs. As a bonus, I will add that audio deprived part again by the end of this part 2 video for your reference. The syntax for Passé Composé is avoir / être plus participe passé, as I have said before. We have seen how to do avoir plus participe passé in part 1. Most of the verbs are conjugated that way. Avoir plus participe passé. In this video, I am going to cover the case with être plus participe passé. Again, if you have not yet seen the part 1 of Passé Composé, you may not know how to make past participle, participe passé, and I am not going to repeat that. You must learn this from part 1 and then come back. Here we are. So how to do Passé Composé in être plus participe passé format? La langue française, c'est très facile. Let's make it easy. First of all, when does this happen? Être plus participe passé happens in two cases. Number 1, motion verbs. Number 2, pronominal verbs. Number 1, motion verbs. When you see a motion verb like aller, venir, partir, sortir, descendre, monter, arriver, entrer, rester, tomber, naître, mourir, etc., you will go for être plus participe passé and not with avoir plus participe passé. Memorize this motion verbs list. These verbs are generally called motion verbs. You will ask marcher, courir. These verbs are also having motion in them. So aren't they motion verbs? No, they aren't. Only these verbs are motion verbs. Even if you see any verb having them as their stem part, they also will be considered as motion verbs. Like for example, if you know venir is a motion verb, then any verb with the same stem will be considered as a motion verb. Revenir, devenir, parvenir are all motion verbs. If you know any more motion verb, please let me know in the comment section. I know you can find out a couple of more motion verbs. So all these motion verbs will take être plus participe passé and not avoir plus participe passé when you are doing Passé Composé. Number 2, pronominal verbs or reflexive verbs. When you see any reflexive verb or pronominal verb, les verbes pronominaux or les verbes réfléchis, you will also consider opting for être plus participe passé and not avoir plus participe passé. If you have come so far, you must know what is pronominal verb. These are the verbs which come with se in front of them. Se means self or oneself. Like se lever, se laver, se promener, se brosser, s'habiller, s'arrêter, se réveiller, etc. All these verbs are pronominal verbs. And whenever you see any pronominal verb or reflexive verb, you will conjugate être plus participe passé and not avoir plus participe passé. So now you know when to use être plus participe passé. Number 1, when you see a motion verb. Number 2, when you see a pronominal or reflexive verb. Now you are going to learn how to conjugate in this format, être plus participe passé. Step 1. First of all, you must know how to make the past participle of 3 groups of verbs, which I have already mentioned in part 1 of passé composé. Learn it first and then come back. Or if you have already learned it, then let's continue. Step 2. Let's learn être verb. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, on est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Repeat after me. Try to memorize être verb. Être means to be. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, on est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. You can write it without seeing? No? Then let's repeat once again. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, on est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Step 3. Now let's take one verb from motion verb category. I will conjugate être verb first. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, on est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Then I will put the participe passé of this verb with all subject pronouns, as we did with avoir plus participe passé format. But one more thing that we do in être plus participe passé format is we also add accord. Now how to do that? Let's see. You will add one extra e if je or tu is a female person or feminine object. Elle is a feminine subject. That's why you must add an e at the end of your PP. Nous and vous may be masculine plural subject. In that case, you will add only an s at the end of your PP. If nous and vous refer to a group of female persons or feminine nouns, then we will add es with the PP. With il, add only s as this is masculine plural subject. With al, add only es at the end of your PP as al is a feminine plural subject. This is how you conjugate a motion verb in passé composé. Don't use avoir plus participe passé when there is a motion verb. Use être plus participe passé. And do not forget about the accord. The meaning you already know. Passé composé means simple past or present perfect. Je suis venu, tu es venu, il est venu, elle est venue, on est venu, nous sommes venus, vous êtes venus, ils sont venus, elles sont venues. Je suis venu means I came or I have come. Tu es venu means you came or you have come. And so on. We have learned how to conjugate a motion verb. Easy? We are still in step 3. Now let's take one verb from pronominal verbs category. Let's take se promener. First, we will take all subject pronouns. Voilà. Je me, tu te, il se, elle se, on se, nous, vous, il se, elle se. These all are object pronouns, alright? Me, te, se, nous, vous, se. All are object pronouns. Pronominal verbs come with se in front of them. So we have conjugated this se with all subject pronouns here. Next, we will conjugate the être verb. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, on est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Remember this structure of pronominal verb in passé composé. First comes the subject pronoun. Je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle. Then the object pronouns. Me, te, ce, nous, vous, ce. Then the adverb. Suis, et, some, at, sans. With tu t'es, il s'est, elle s'est, on s'est. You have this elision. We have two vowels side by side. We have cut the first vowel and put an apostrophe in place of it. We call this method elision. Elision happened in these places. And then we will put the participe passé, and never to forget about the accord. The participe passé will follow the subject according to its number and gender. If the subject is feminine singular, our participe passé will take an E at the end. If our subject is masculine plural, our participe passé will also take an S at the end. If the subject is feminine plural, the participe passé will take an ES at the end. Je me suis promené. Tu t'es promené. Il s'est promené. Elle s'est promenée. On s'est promené. Nous nous sommes promenés. Vous vous êtes promenés. Ils se sont promenés. Elles se sont promenées. So, the meanings you must have already understood. Passé composé means simple past or present perfect. Je me suis promené may mean I took a walk or I have taken a walk. Tu t'es promené, you took a walk or you have taken a walk, and so on. This is how you can conjugate any pronominal verb in passé composé. The subject pronoun, the object pronoun, adverb, and the beautiful participe passé of the concerned verb, and never ever to forget about the accord. Accord is mandatory when you are doing passé composé in être plus participe passé format. When you do passé composé with avoir plus participe passé format, you must never do accord. There still are exceptions to that. I will tell that maybe in some future video. So you have learned today how to conjugate in passé composé using être plus participe passé format. Here we have also seen how to use the accord when you are conjugating in être plus participe passé format. Accord is very important. Never forget to do the accord when you are conjugating in passé composé with être. Now, the audio missing part from the part 1 of this video, the list of some third group verbs and their past participles. This might be a little bit longer than my usual videos. Never mind, when you are learning a new language, initially you need to put up a little bit of time and a beautiful sweet subscription to my channel. I mean a little bit of love to my channel French with Basu, where I am always at your help when you are learning French. Let's learn these third group verbs and their past participles, which I have missed in part 1. So here are some third group verbs. I am going to read their infinitive form and their past participle form. And also I will mention their meanings. Some third group verbs take you to form their past participle. Some third group verbs take I to form their past participle. Some third group verbs take E accent aigu, E accent aigu to form their past participle. And some third group verbs take IS to form their past participle. And some third group verbs take T to form their past participle. Attendre, to wait. Attendu, waited. Boire, to drink. Bu, drunk. Connaître, to know. Connu, known. Courir, to run. Couru, run. Descendre, to descend. Get down. Descendu, descended or got down. Devoir, must, have to. Du is the past participle of that verb. Entendre, to hear. Entendu, heard. Falloir, to be necessary to. Fallu is the past participle of that verb. Lead, to read. Lu, read. Pouvoir, to be able to do something, to be able to. Pu is the past participle of that verb. Paraître, to appear. Paru, appeared. Plaire, to please, plu, pleased. Répondre, to reply, to respond. Répondu, responded, replied. Recevoir, to receive. Reçu, received. Savoir, to know. Su, known. Se taire, to shut up. Se tue, shut up. Tendre, to stretch. Tendu, stretched. Tenir, to hold. Tenu, hold. Voir, to see. Vu, seen. Vouloir, to want to. Voulu, wanted. Vendre, to buy. Vendu, bought. Vivre, to live. Vécu, lived. Cueillir, to collect, to welcome. Cueilli, collected or welcomed. Dormir, to sleep. Dormi, slept. Partir, to depart, to leave. Parti, departed. Rire, to smile. Ri, smiled. Sentir, to smell. Senti, smelt. Sortir, to get out. Sorti, got out. Servir, to serve. Servi, served. Suivre, to follow. Suivi, followed. Naître, to be born. Né, to have been born. S'asseoir, to sit oneself. S'assit, sit. The past participle of that verb. Mettre, to put. Mis, put. Prendre, to take. Pris, taken. Couvrir, to cover. Couvert, covered. Conduire, to lead. Conduit, led. Dire, to say. Dit, said. Écrire, to write. Écrit, written. Faire, to do, to create, to make. Fait, created, made, etc. Mourir, to die. Meurt, died. Ouvrir, to open. Ouvert, opened. Thanks a lot for hanging on till the end. If you really have come so far, you are a lovely person. And on that note, click subscribe. It's free. Until next time, au revoir.